Okay, this is Avenida way long. It's near the airport. They're doing something. There's a little mountainside right there. I'm kind of inside of a gate, as you can see, and right there is actually the airport. So the airport of Macau is right there, and then you can also see this line right here. This is for the transportation lines. So we're going to try to get and see what this is all about along our target road here. So stay tuned. Let me put this up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so let me just give some context to this. So you can see this beautiful wall right in here. Some nice trees too. So I think they're gonna be doing something here. There's a little water reservoir right there. And we're walking along our, this is the transit line right there. The airport is right behind me. And then you can see some casinos straight ahead. Here's one of our signs. I think they put the fence up and covered it recently. But that's our street sign right there. Avenida de Dry Long. And straight up there is actually Morpheus Casino. You can see it to the left. So that's actually part of the Cotai Strip. Lots of traffic on this busy road. Let me just kind of take a look here. So you can see a hiking trail up there at the top of that. I believe that's a hiking trail. That might be, there are hiking trails up there. Actually, that looks like it could be kind of like protects from the boulders when they come down. So I'm gonna keep on walking down, try to get some better context to that. Yep, and that's the Cotai Strip. You can see City of Dreams straight ahead, Morpheus Tower, and then that's the airport directly that way. And you can see some signs right there. Pont Macau is the bridge, and then the Maritime Museum, Maritime Terminal, and also the Friendship Bridge, Amazon Bridge. So this busy road takes people from Cotai Strip straight to the ferry terminal, to the airport, and to the Macau Bridge. Macau Bridge takes you over to Hong Kong and such as well. There's a better view of the casino strips over there. And we're gonna try to figure out what they're doing. It looks like we even have there's like a little construction right there with a sidewalk. They're doing something there. Let's get in a little bit further and then we'll see exactly what it is. Some signage, prohibited to occupy. You can see a little bit more of it now. You can actually see some little stairwell right there for walking and things like that as well. Some bamboo over there. And then on that side is the airport and some of the stuff connected to it. And now you can actually see the some other casinos. There's the Wynn Palace and the Lisboa Palace in the distance as well. So a little bit further along. And a couple of people walking as well. And I can actually see that little sidewalk right there too. I'm gonna keep, oops, I'm gonna keep on walking. And it looks like we're gonna have some like green space up there. So I think they're doing more construction. More of the sidewalk. And yeah, there's like a little bit of a construction site up there. So let's go up ahead a little bit more and check out what that's all about. Okay, so now we can see a little bit more of it. Looks like they built a sidewalk right there. And so we're kind of, and a little bit of a site right there too. And I think they come in right in here. So this is a little bit lower platform. So it looks like that. We'll go down a little further and see if we can figure it out. Now we're getting also closer to the Cotai Strip. And right over there is actually Must. This green building is Macau University of Science and Technology. But yeah. Okay, so now you can see some other construction right here too. So there's this whole space. I can see the entrance right there. It looks like there's too. So yeah, that's Macau University of Science and Technology, the green building. And then this will be our entrance right here. And we'll just kind of take a look and see what we can see. Huh. We got stuff over there. And stuff over there too. Huh. Kind of cool. And stuff over this space too. So we'll keep on walking around, trying to figure it all out. So we just walked past that, and then you can kind of see so we'll see. We'll just keep our eye out on that. This is Avenida way long, and we'll just see what it looks like in the future. I'll go a little further to the orange crane as well. So there's another orange crane up there, so we'll see how that looks as well. So that's our Avenida, way long, and then we're also at the Rotunda, the airport, so another lane. And then you can see the casinos. Must University, Morpheus Casino, Venetian, and we'll see what's over here as well. Oh. So, yeah. So we'll just end our video right there. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. Pretty interesting.